Bonjour Katu, B1 Siuk Master French with Vidyansshu. Today we are going to learn about the vocabulary of the continents and the oceans in French. We have already done some of the vocabulary. I am sharing the link over here. Kindly visit the link and watch to learn the vocabulary of the days of the week, the months of the year, seasons, directions, animals, some birds and insects, and the countries. Today's topic is les continents et les océans. Océan is the pronunciation because this S will get connected with this O because of the liaison rule. I'm sharing the link of the liaison rule also over here. Kindly visit the video and watch it to understand the rule. So the first rule is that all the continents in French end with E. When we write the name of the continent, it ends with E. So all the continents are in feminine gender. Asia is l'Asie, Africa is l'Afrique, l'Océanie, Antarctica is l'Antarctique, Europe is written in the same way, the pronunciation is l'Europe, l'Amérique. How do we pronounce it? L'Amérique, du Nord, and l'Amérique du Sud. This is pronounced as l'Asie, l'Afrique, l'Océanie, l'Antarctique, Europe, l'Amérique du Nord, l'Amérique du Sud. As you can see that in French, all the continents are ending with the letter E. In this, North America and South America, Amérique, l'Asie, Afrique, Oceanie, Antarctique, and l'Europe. So these are all feminine continents, but the term continent is a masculine term, le continent or un continent. So these are the continents. Now we move on to the oceans in French. The term ocean is masculine in gender, océan. So the pronunciation will be l'océan, l'océan. Indian Ocean is l'océan, and then Atlantic Ocean is l'océan Atlantique, l'océan Pacifique, l'océan Arctique, and l'océan Antarctique. I'll give you the pronunciation of the oceans, and they are Atlantic, Pacific, Arctic, Arctic, Antarctic. So the oceans are l'océan Indian, l'océan Atlantic, l'océan Pacific, l'océan Arctique, l'océan Antarctic. So these are the five oceans. In the next video, we will be doing the prepositions which are used with cities, states, countries, continents, and if we are working somewhere or we are living in a place, how we will form the sentence. And after that particular video, we will also be doing the exercises which are related to the use of prepositions. So this is all for today. Kindly like the video, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to the channel Master French with Vidyansshu. Please press the bell icon for all the future updates. Atre bientôt.